Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever dreamed of opening a daycare or turning your passion for childcare into a business, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to get a daycare license in 2025. With updated regulations and digital tools making the process smoother, it's an exciting time to get started. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to check your eligibility. Most states require you to be at least 18 years old, pass a thorough background check, and have no criminal history related to children. In 2025, many regions are emphasizing online verification systems, so start by visiting your state's official licensing website to review the specifics. Next, complete the necessary training. This typically includes courses on CPR, first aid, child development, and health and safety protocols. Look for accredited programs. Many are now available online, which saves time and money. Aim to finish these before applying, as they're often mandatory. Once you're prepared, focus on your facility. Your daycare space must meet safety standards, like having secure fencing, fire alarms, and child-proofed areas. Don't forget about zoning laws. Ensure your location is approved for commercial use. In 2025, expect more emphasis on eco-friendly practices, such as energy-efficient lighting. Now, it's time to submit your application. This is usually done online through state portals, and you'll need to provide documents like your training certificates, business plans, and proof of insurance. Fees can range from $50 to $500, depending on your location, so budget accordingly. The process might take 4 to 6 weeks, so be patient. After submission, prepare for inspections. Health departments and licensing agencies will check your facility for compliance. Address any issues promptly to avoid delays. Once you pass, you'll receive your license, yay! Finally, remember that maintaining your license involves ongoing training and renewals every 1 to 2 years. It's a rewarding journey, but stay committed. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. See you in the next video.